To our viewers across North America and around the world, this is Joe Ehizode, Platform Media International PMI Sports. Now let me quickly take you across the globe for sports events. But meanwhile, let me take you to Premiership, English Premiership. This weekend fixtures. Aston Villa will be at home at Villa Park hosting Swansea. At King Power Stadium, Leicester City will be hosting Crystal Palace. West Brom will be away to Norwich at Carrow Road. At Britannia Stadium, Stoke City is hosting Watford. At Boleyn Ground, West Ham is hosting the Coach Mourinho tutor side Chelsea. And Arsenal will be hosting Everton at the Emirates. On Sunday, Sunderland hosting Newcastle. And Spurs will be away to Bournemouth at Vitaly Stadium. Manchester United versus Man City at the Old Trafford. And Liverpool will be hosting Southampton at Anfield. Other news across the globe. NFA, Nigerian Football Federation, is backing our own mathematical Segun Odegbami for the FIFA presidency. And Golden Eagles lost to Croatia in the last match of the Under-17 World Youth Championship holding in Chile. Golden Eagles have qualified for the second round, though losing by 2-1 to Croatia. News in the Super Eagles is not too good. Emmanuel Emenike has been reported to have retired from the Super Eagles, blaming that on Coach Sunday Oliseh. You remember the goalkeeper retired too, Vincent Enyama, and Emenike is blaming Sunday Oliseh for his high-handedness, and he has retired prematurely. Prematurely is the sense that this is coming as a surprise to everybody. And in the CHAN Championship, Nigerian local Super Eagles is meeting Burkina Faso in the second leg of the championship qualifier. Remember, Nigeria beat Burkina Faso by 2-0 2 weeks ago, match played in Port Harcourt. NBA, this season kicks off this week, and Cleveland is hosting Chicago, and Atlanta also hosting Detroit, and New Orleans is away to the Golden Stars of Oakland, California. Viewers, that's the top news we have for you this weekend. I'm Joe Ehizode, PMI Sports. I will see you next week. Bye.